Good morning, grade 10. Let's see what is the nature of the roots of quadratic equation and how to obtain the quadratic equation given its roots. Your exercise or set 2.5 depends upon these two concepts. Now you very well know what is the general or standard form of quadratic equation. So it is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now looking at this equation and finding the value of b square minus 4ac, we are able to decide what is the nature of the roots. So nature of the roots in short depends upon this value b square minus 4ac, where b is this coefficient of x, a and c. All these three are coefficients. Once you find out b square minus 4ac, you have three possibilities. Either this value can be 0, this value can be positive, that is greater than 0, or it can be negative, which is less than 0. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, this value is equal to 0, then roots are real and they are equal. If this value is less than 0, here it is greater than 0, that means it is positive, then roots are real and unequal. And if it is less than 0, that means here it is negative, then the roots are not real. So if delta, what is delta? B square minus 4ac is also called as discriminant and it is denoted by this Greek letter triangular delta. This discriminant decides what is the nature of the roots. So if someone asks you after giving the quadratic equation, what is the nature of the roots? Then what you should do? Immediately find b square minus 4ac and check if it is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. If it is positive or greater than 0, roots are real but they are unequal. And if the value is less than 0, that means it is negative, then the roots are not real. It is as easy and simple as that. So this depends upon discriminant, and therefore delta or discriminant is very important because its value determines nature of the roots. Now, we have solved in the earlier exercise quadratic equations. First is by using factorization and another is by formula. At the end you get two answers. Those are called as roots. So if those are nothing but solution or roots. So if the roots, one root is said to be alpha and other is said to be beta, that means if alpha and beta are two roots of the given equation, then when the roots are given, we also can form the equation. How to form the equation? See how the quadratic equation is given. X square, instead of x you can use any variable, then minus, add those two roots, addition of two roots, alpha plus beta, into x, plus product of two roots, alpha into beta. So if roots are given, you are able to find out the quadratic equation using this formula. You add two roots, put minus sign, multiply by x. First you write x square minus alpha plus beta into x, plus you write the product of the given roots, that is alpha into beta is equal to 0. This gives your quadratic equation. Now with this information you will be able to solve set 2.5. So let's go for set 2.5 now. Alright. Now see set 2.5. In first question there are two sub questions. First activities, they have given b square minus 4ac value and you have to find the nature of roots. Now see b square minus 4ac, that means delta. Discriminant is positive plus 5. So what will be the nature of the roots? If it is positive, then the nature of the roots is they are real and unequal. So they are real and they are unequal. Just now we have seen. Now in this case b square minus 4ac is minus 5. That means it is negative. Delta is less than 0. So, nature of the roots is they are not real. Just now we have seen, no? Okay. Now, one more thing. They have given sum of the roots as minus 7 and product of the roots is given as 5. And you have to form the quadratic equation. This is our formula to find quadratic equation. So, let us substitute x square minus. What is alpha plus beta? Minus 7 into x. Don't forget this sign over here and value of this itself is negative. Alright. Plus alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is given as 5. You have already been given as product directly and you have already been given directly as addition. Only roots are not given. Their sum and their product both are given is equal to 0. Alright. So what will be the quadratic equation? X square minus into minus plus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is your required quadratic equation. Isn't it easy? Okay. Now let's go for second. Second tells that the question is find the value of discriminant. And in that first is you have to find discriminant means find delta, isn't it? Triangle. Which is the first equation they have given? X square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. So you have x square plus 7x minus 1 plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. So compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Unless and until you have ABC, you will not be able to find out delta because delta is b square minus 4ac. Alright. So you need to find the values of alpha. A, b and c. Okay. Now what is a? A will be equal to 1. B is equal to 7. And your C will be equal to minus 1. I hope this is clear first. So you have the values of A, B and C. Now let us find delta. What is delta? Discriminant is given by. So delta is equal to B square minus 4AC, which is equal to, how much is B? 7. So it is 7 square minus 4 into A is how much? 1. Into minus 1. Is this clear? Alright. So 7 square is 49 minus 4 into 1 is 4. Again 4 into 1 is 4. Minus into plus is minus 4. Alright. So what we have? This will be equal to 49 minus into minus plus 4, which is equal to 53. So your value of delta is 53. I hope it is clear. Okay. Let's go for another problems now. Now look at the second problem. 2y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. Compare it with your standard equation or general form. You get a is 2, b is minus 5 and c is equal to 10. Now find out delta, which is b square minus 4ac. So discriminant we are finding out. So b is minus 5 square minus 4 into 2 into 10. Minus 5 square is 25. Minus 4 2s are 8 into 10 is 80. And so your value will be minus 55. Look at the third equation. Root 2 into x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. What is a? Root 2. What is b? 4. And what is c? 2 root 2. Now we have to find b square minus 4ac. b is this 4 square minus 4 into a is root 2 into 2 root 2. 4 into 2 is 8. This 8. And root 2 into root 2 is root 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Alright. So 8 2s are in bracket we get 16. And so here I have written directly. Okay, here I have written 4 square is 16. 16 minus 16. That is equal to 0. So delta value will be 0. Okay, I hope it is clear. Okay, let's go for the next problem. Now look at question third. It says determine the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations from their discriminants. So first you have to find the value of discriminant, and depending upon what is this value, you have to determine what is the nature of the roots. So let's find out first value of discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac. Your b is minus 4. So this will be minus 4 the whole square. Then I have this minus sign in bracket 4 into what is my a? A is 1 into what is my c? C is again 4. I hope this is clear. So what will be your discriminant? It is 4 square is minus 4 square, that is minus 4 into minus 4. 4 4s are 16, minus into minus is plus. Alright, so you have minus 4 square as plus 16 minus in bracket 4 1s are 4 and 4 4s are again 16. So what is the value of delta? You got value of delta is 0. Now you go back and check. If delta is 0, what is the nature of the roots? If delta is 0, then the roots are real and equal. So you write as discriminant is 0, therefore roots are real and equal, both. Okay, let's find the other values also and see what is the nature of the roots. Let's quickly go to other two problems from question 3. 2y square minus 7y plus 2. Value of a is 2, b is minus 7, c is plus 2. Calculate b square minus 4ac. Minus 7 square is 49 minus 4ac. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 49 minus 16 is 33. Now this is positive. So delta or discriminant is greater than 0. It is positive and therefore the roots are real but they are unequal. Alright. Third c, m square plus 2m plus 9 is equal to 0. Compare it with the general form. You get a as 1, b is 2 and c is 9. b square minus 4ac is 2 square minus 4 into 1 into 9. 2 square is 4. 9 4s are 36. 4 minus 36 is minus 32. Now here discriminant is negative because it is less than 0. You may say it is negative. Once it is negative, roots are not real. That's it. Okay. So that's all from my side, students. Thank you.